2003 Dodge 3500 5.9 Cummins NV5600 6-speed. Been a good truck for me. Been my daily driver for almost 2 years now. Done over 80,000 miles with it. Seen pretty much all four corners of the country. And now I need to fix it up because I've been driving it all over the place and it needs some love. Needs one front U-joint, but while we're doing it, I'm gonna do both. Needs a new exhaust due to a wheeling accident a little while ago. It took a good chunk of it with it. Bent the over axle portion. Has a mean belt squeak. Not really sure what's causing it yet. Needed a new tensioner pulley a little while ago, and that fixed it temporarily, but then it came back. The new belt. Tires are doing okay, but the dirt tracks are getting some miles on them. So far, been a great tire. Snow in the dirt. Only gotten it stuck a couple times with them. It's tuned. Has a Smarty and an MP8 on it. Drives pretty well for a 6-speed truck. Starts pretty well for a truck with a lot of miles on it. Hopefully put a lot more miles on it. Pretty good truck. NV5600's been great. Transfer case on this truck's been really great. Has a bit of a leak from the rear transfer case seal. No idea why it leaks from there. Just pretty much always has since I bought it. There's that belt squeak. Not quite sure what's going on there. Another thing this truck could really use is a new bed. All these miles, haven't treated it well. There's the current end of the exhaust. Well, incident a couple weeks ago. Truck's always got me home though, so it's time for it to get some good love. I think I'm gonna give it some headlights and some new suspension too while we're at it. Maybe a flatbed. Who knows? Keep you up to date. Thanks for watching.